If you are making a drawing for production or construction, it will require a formal plot. This formal plot means the plot has to carry a title block which will contain our company name and logo, client information, date and name of the designer, drawing titles and many more important information. To create a formal plot, we'll use what we know as layout. In this lesson, we'll set up our layout settings and also choose the paper size. Let's say I would like to plot this drawing using our company title blocks. To do this, I will set up a layout. Layout is located at the lower left corner beside the model. Click on this. We have two layouts in the drawing, layout 1, layout 2, but right now we are clicking on layout 1. So now we have selected a layout. We've selected layout 1 and it contains a rectangle that contains our drawing. And this rectangle is known as the viewport. We will understand that later. Select the rectangle and delete it. Select this rectangle and delete it. This is a paper representation of what our plots look like when it comes out of printer. Notice the dashed line on the edges of the paper. It is a boundary and anything outside it will not print. The shape of the paper also depends on the printer and the paper size that we select. Now let's select a paper size from our plot. To do this, I'll right click and select page setup from here. Now I'll click modify. I have a page setup manager that looks exactly like the plot dialog box, and now what we are doing is actually setting up our plot ahead of time. Now let me choose a printer. I'll choose the same printer I chose before, Adobe PDF. To the paper size, I'm choosing paper size A3, and to this I'm choosing none under the pen's plot style table, and plot area now we'll leave it at layout. Scale we'll leave it at 1:1 because when we are plotting using layout, our scale will always be set to 1:1 because we want to plot the exact size of our paper and we don't want to tamper with the scale now. So I think we are done with the settings now. The drawing orientation is set to landscape. When we are done, we'll click OK and we'll close this one. Notice how the paper has readjusted itself. Now we have the boundary close to the edge of the paper now. So layouts are virtually display of saved plot settings. The paper on screen is a real life representation of our paper.